If you want to unblock a number on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have three main ways to do so. First, let's open the phone app. If you have the block number saved in contacts, then you can select the contact, press this gray icon, tap on more in the bottom right corner, and then you have the option to unblock it. Another way to unblock a phone number is to go to recents if you still have, or if you ever had, that number calling you or you calling that number. In that case, you can select the number from resets, press the gray icon again, and then at the bottom you will find unblock. We can select this option, and there we go, the number is now unblocked. And last but not least, we can also go to three dots that we can find on the right side or top right side of the phone. Then we can go to settings. Over here, choose block numbers, and you will find the list of all blocked numbers in this place here. Press this red minus button on the right side next to the phone number in order to unblock that number. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!